Hey, cheeseburgers. Oi, oi, oi. I'm surprised. Like, I think this was the first time I jumped up to 80 viewers. Holy shit. It's crazy. Must be the holidays, right? Must be the time. What's up, bro? Hey, Schumann. My man. My man. Coffee lava. Welcome, guys. Alright, I'll leave the chat open and do the chat overlay thing as well. Test. Okay. Howdy. Hey, Michael P. My man. Now we work on the magma puddles. I want them to spawn close to my hero. God. I can barely move. But it should be fine. They need to be spawning close to my hero. And they need to... I don't want them to grow. I want them to deal damage. And I don't want them to do any pushback damage or something. Top chatters unite. Wow. This guy, some type of YouTuber. Oh, what happened here? Oh, someone just subscribed. Here you, bro. Okay, let's see here. I think I... Do I keep this open or close it? I close it. Close that too. Oh, see? The generating and building for the A sprite thing worked for me. I totally forgot about that. I wonder if that person in chat left at some point. Booba? Oh man. Okay. We need to fix the magma orb. Magma thing. What is that? Okay, so for every weapon, I spawn an active weapon which is a magma thing, and I'm just looking at a random enemy on screen.
JP5, you always run away, Oni-chan.
Hey, Ashnobs, my man. Dude, I'm on fucking... What are you talking about? I'm on YouTube. I'm not running away.
You always run away, Oni-chan.
Oh, Ashen Creations, my man. Oh my god, just fucking close the fucking bottle. Sorry. How does TTF work on YouTube, please? It works like this, bro. You go into the chat on this website. I wonder if I can post the link. Yeah. You go into chat on this website. And then you type TTS, exclamation mark TTS, because I don't have a YouTube bot. And then you type into this chat over here. Oh my god, literally, stop. You type into this chat over here.
Just like this.
Yeah, just like this. Exactly. And then it's shown on screen. I'm not gonna bother making a YouTube Twitch bot for this terrible system they have. Sorry, but no. What is the spawn radius of this thing? Let's set this to 500. But if the screen is taller than 500 by 500, we have an issue. So maybe 250.
Herr Schumann ist sehr hübsch.
That's you, bro. Thank you. Okay, this guy is doing it to himself. He's giving himself compliments. What the fuck, bro? Hey, coffee lover. What happened to Mr. Cap? What happened to Mr. T-Cap? What happened to Mr. Cap here? Huh? YouTube has some weird emotes. True, yeah.
Hast du einen Taschenrechner?
Oh god. Sag. Yeah, right, Sag. I don't heckin' know. I think he's playing too much PoE. He's been sucked into PoE. He has tasted the sweet nectar of Path of Exile's endgame that he has never achieved and reached. And he can't let go of it. And he's probably thinking, bro, it's Christmas. I can take some time off. As the gods wished, yeah. I could take some time off and then do something else. So we get the target position here and then we check if point in circle. Wait, we don't have a point in circle function? Really? What do we have? Wait, we do have a point in circle. Point in circle. If the target position is inside the circle around our player, which is game state player.position, and the radius would be the spawn radius.
Help.
Then we set the target position of the attack, active attack, to the target position that we have just calculated. If not, then we set a found position to true. Or maybe we just set a random position that is close to the player and then spawn it there, not really spawning it on enemies. I think that's much easier than this stuff. Target position is a random position. Spawn radius, and then we just do a float random x is morning Cakez in chat. Oh, Pikachu's glitch, my man, good morning. Welcome, bro. God, I love switching problems. Like this is an annoying problem, but it's also easy to solve. So it's not really annoying. It's a nice problem to have. Rand modulo int spawn radius. Times 2. So we get a random x, which is a diameter, and we turn that into a float, and we do minus spawn radius. Okay. Float. And we do that with y too. Random x, random y. And now the target position is the player position plus back2 random x random y. And then we can set that. We can set the attack area target position already. And then we don't need to have like this stupid if check here. Or found position true. We just get a random position. And wait. AA target position. AA position. Is AA target? Oh yeah. Wait, no. Game state player position. Let's see. Does it compile? Okay, I wonder if it works now. Hey Cakez, how are you doing? Hey Skull, good morning. I'm doing quite good. I have a giant, or not a giant, but I have a medium-sized rework ahead of me that I have to do tomorrow in my game. But otherwise, I'm doing quite good. Like I had a very active chat today. It was fun. People were not rude to me. I got my wallet back. I had lost my wallet. Turns out it was my girlfriend, not me, my girlfriend, had lost or forgotten the wallet at the cash register where we went to buy food. But they were so nice to keep it and give it back to me. I went there today and asked them if they have it, and they had it still, which is nice. Yeah, so I'm doing very good. And I'm gonna spend some time alone today, which is nice. Well, I will play some Path of Exile. Most likely. Make myself some delicious food. I'm thinking about schnitzel. Making myself real schnitzels myself. See how that looks. That is looking good. It's all spawning close to me. But they don't last long enough. So that's what we're gonna fix. So that looks good. And then we need to look at active attacks over here. Active attack skill duration. So, magma puddle. Oh, creating a damaging area. Okay, that's what we need to look at. The damaging area. Damaging areas. Okay. Percent done. So a damaging area sometimes extends, but sometimes it doesn't.
Same thing happened to me once. Forgot my wallet at the cash register and I got the next day intact.
Yeah. Yeah, thankfully. Like, it is, to be honest, it is kind of obvious if you take, if you miss your wallet at the cash register, because people can see it immediately, especially the ones sitting at the cash register, right? Steam, exclamation mark Steam only works on Twitch. I'm sorry, but I can give you the link. And then give me a second. And if any other person just tries to grab the wallet, it is kind of obvious, you know. So I wasn't expecting it, but I was like kind of expecting it to be there. if it's not in here and we have not literally put it in some space, someplace where we forgot it. Yeah. Okay. What do we do with this damaging area? It's not a damaging area, it's like an extending area. And it's like I need to make damaging areas smarter. Because currently they always grow. So the data has to change, I think. Currently they just... Dude, they kill me. These fucking bats. They always grow. From 0. Dude, it's difficult to dodge these fucking bats. They are so fast. I try kiting them. Okay. Now I should have... Yeah, first of all, they don't last long enough. And they grow. Okay, now I should have a good save point. What do I do with these damaging areas? Percent done. Time pass duration. I think I could give a damaging area a weapon ID. Which is kind of annoying because now we have a weapon that has a weapon ID. we have an active weapon that has a weapon ID. Let me see, what does a weapon ID? What's a weapon ID? We have a weapon that stores the level and cooldown. Then we have an active attack that stores a weapon ID. And now we also have a damaging area that also stores a weapon ID. And depending on the weapon ID, they all do different things. Hit enemy IDs. I think it's a different... It's not a different thing, but it is a different thing. How do I do garlic? I think it's just on the game state a... Damage numbers. Where do I save which enemies I hit? Hit enemy IDs. I don't think I use a damaging area often. Or maybe I do. Let's see. Weapon whip. Magma ring. Row. Hey, Juke. Hello there. Garlic. Wait. Garlic hit timer. Oh, I store the garlic hit timer on the enemy. I see. That's also good. We could also do enemy. Magma puddle hit timer, which is max. Enemy magma puddle hit timer minus delta time and 0 F. Okay, now we definitely need to add that to the player. Are you a full-time dev or are you employed and you work at games only in your free time? Well, I am unemployed right now and I'm trying to make this my game or my job. I was employed before, but I quit my job to do this. Yep. And I earn like 200 a month. So not very much, but I can still live. That's the most important part. Should have changed the title. TY for content cakes, Strange. Oh, really? Thank you, man. Thank you, Coffee Lava. My man, thank you very much. Thank you, bro. Ah, it's like the first nice thing he said in a long time. Fuck. Fuck you. Oh, that is nice. Okay, I think we're just gonna... Honda weapon ID. Sounds so stupid to quit a job to get paid $200 until your game go viral and you become a millionaire. Well, the thing is, while working at my job, I noticed that if I spend more time on this, I could be faster. Also, I noticed that sounds great to me, Shrug. For me, money isn't everything. Like, for me, I just need money. Money is just, for me, a means to live. Okay? So, would it be nice to have a cool car? Sure. For sure. Like, give me a nice car. I can drive the car, but only if I have earned it myself. I don't know. I just like doing this. So, I don't mind. It's difficult to explain. The fact that I can do what I want and get paid for that, even though it's not much, is all I want. I don't know. I feel like I have all I want. And I don't regret my decision. I think it was the best decision that I have ever made so far. And if this fails, I can always go back into a job. You know? So you pick passion over money? I don't know if it's passion. It's just something that I deeply care about. Because if I don't make these games, then no one will. If I don't make, for example, if I don't make a Gothic 1 remake, then no one will. I don't think that the Gothic 1 remake that is currently under construction is going to be the Gothic that I want to have. I don't think so. It's not going to be the same Gothic that I want. Like marrying a poor girl that you love rather than a rich girl that you don't love.
Herr Stürmer.
I would pick the girl that I like. It doesn't matter. I would pick the girl whether it's rich or poor based on what type of person she is. Like, yeah. It depends. The rich girl could be the fun person and the poor girl could be the annoying person. You don't know. It's not always like, oh, the poor girl is gonna be fun, the rich girl is not. I would just pick the one that is more fun. Hey. Game dev is not your passion? I don't know. I think it is. But I also like streaming. I don't think it's stupid, from my opinion. You get the freedom you want with work employment. You only can work on your game 3 hours, maybe 5 hours, and takes longer. But it would, if you work on your game full time, you make progress double, triple time. That's not really true. I think I make about the same amount of progress, but it's the mental state that's different. I woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning, and then like, what do you get? 5, 6, 7, 8? That's 4 hours of programming. How long have I been programming right now? Or today? 4 hours. And I might have even be more productive because I had no one in chat that was talking to me while I was doing this. You know. And so I would probably still be able to stream, yes, but it would be more difficult to pull off. And also I noticed that the work that I had was just it wasn't for me, the type of work that I did. It was fun sometimes, but mostly it wasn't for me. I didn't want to do the work. And I might be a weird person that can't really get into a normal job like a normal person and stay in their job. I don't know. Like, I've thought about this many times. Like, maybe I'm just not a normal person. You know, maybe there's some autism or something. Web is fucking boring, man. Web is fucking boring, man. We don't need to flip anything here. Don't need any rendering option. DAR position, DAR size, right? We have a DAR size, yeah. Let's be honest. I mean, it depends, I would say. If you're making your own website, or if you're making a website that can literally... I don't know, it depends. It depends on how much you are involved in the success of what you are doing. That depends, I would say. If you feel like you are being involved in like making a website and that website will become very successful and you are being involved a percentage wise, then you are much more willing to put in like thousands and thousands of hours and a lot of energy. But if you're just being paid a generic amount, whether the website is successful or not, then why would you, or at least that's my thinking, why would I put my sweat and tears into this to make someone else successful? And what do I get out of this? Like, that's what I'm thinking. Like, why? Like, I have like an interest conflict. I don't know. Like another person's interests might not be my interests. So yeah, I don't know. Like that's just what I think, and maybe I'm just stupid, but yeah. Would you consider full stack job a safe plan B if the game dev didn't work that well? Yeah, but I have literally zero doubts that it will not work. Like at this point, I'm literally close to 100% sure that it will work out. Even if the game dev work will not, even if the game is bad, I still have Twitch, I still have YouTube. I can probably get some money by, like, there's this website that this guy linked to me that a Code Mentor, like some stuff. I will be able to do some stuff no matter how the game turns out. And there will always be, my content will always be there. I can see the new weapons. Will you release this game? You mean the Vampire Survivors? It's already like released, but I'm not gonna put it on Steam because it costs money to put it on Steam. You still have OF? OF? OnlyFans? Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Cakez feet sniffer.
Oh boy. No, I don't know. I just feel safe. Like, even if, look, even if my game is so terrible that I earn 100 euros, right? Which I don't think that is gonna happen. But let's assume, right? Let's live in a dream world. Even if that is the case, like, I still have streaming, and even if my girlfriend leaves me, I can still go to my parents' house or to my brother's house, and then like about 200 euros a month will be enough for me to survive. Like, I've already achieved surviving. Now the next part is all a bonus, like being able to live in an apartment with my girlfriend. So I don't know, like it's like when people ask me what I want, I don't want anything. I wanna have a computer that works, which is why I have this donation goal, because it's kind of broken at the moment, but I can still stream. I need a computer and food. Anyways, yeah, that's all. Takes in 2 circles, huh?
Nur Bahnhof verstehen, das ist mir Wurst.
There's no shame in living in a parent's house. Osmogod is a millionaire Twitch streamer, 41 years old, and still live with his parents. It's different. And I don't think he's 41 years old. But that is a different story, if you ask me. It's different in a way that he chooses to live there. When you're being forced to live there, it's a different feeling. When you are being forced to live there because you have no other options, that is a different feeling. That hurts. If you are choosing to do so, it's different story. Like you need to watch why you need to watch his video on why he is not living like a millionaire, but living the way he's living. Like, he literally talks about how he wanted to have success and how he wanted to have all of these nice things. And he was always dreaming about having a nice car and all of these things. But the moment he could afford those, like, all of these things didn't matter to him, because the only thing that he really wanted was the success. The feeling of success. And he still drives an old car and lives in like, let's say, an old house. Because it's the recognition that you get, or the internal recognition for yourself that you want. Or I have achieved something. I mean something, right? These things are more important. True, I saw this video, yeah. These things are more important than actually going out and buying these. At least, I think so too. Which is like, I'm hungry still because I want that success too. Or not, maybe not that exact success, but a different kind of success. Like a feeling of validation, right? And you can get that in many places. But for me, what I need is a feeling of validation in the sense that I can sustain myself, even if my parents weren't there or my girlfriend weren't there. And so I'm not there yet, but I have achieved bare minimum surviving, and I'm earning money, which is the very lowest bar. Like, I'm at the very bottom, and I can see that I'm slowly, like very slowly, that will probably take like 1 or 2 more years to get out of that.
The Southern Europeans are more family-centric, that's why kids live at their parents for so long. Meanwhile, Northern Europeans are more individualistic. Not sure which is better, but I think I prefer the Southern European style.
Now, I moved out the moment I couldn't get along with my dad anymore. He told me to turn off the computer so many times. He turned off electricity, so I wouldn't play computer, and it was just disruptive. And I didn't want to have any disruptions in my life. And now that I have a girlfriend and I have to, like, what is that called? Like, for example, right now, the next 2 days, I will be alone. Because I told my girlfriend that I want to be alone and just relax and sit in front of the computer, because Christmas was fucking annoying for me. Or it was like I lost my wallet, and then like it was very stressful, let's say that. Not annoying, but stressful. Okay, and so it's a different feeling than being told by your dad what to do, right? It's like more or less 2 people leveling each other out in some way, like giving and taking, something like this. But I wouldn't want to live at my parents' house, because I wouldn't want to go into that thing again. But if I had to, I would. If I had to, I would ask my brother first. If that is not an option, I would go to my parents' house. And then I would try to get to a point where I can sustain myself in a 19 square meter apartment, so I could live there, right? And then maybe I need 500 euros for that, and by that point maybe I earn 300 euros a month, and so I'm short 200 euros. How do I get 200 euros? Maybe I do some online coaching or teaching,
yes,
or whatever.
that's a bit intrusive, especially if you're working on PC, but if you're playing games on PC, well, lol.
What? If I'm playing a game because I had a rough day and my dad tells me to turn off my computer, that's disruptive. Literally, like, I plan my day out and I'm not a lazy person. Like, no. And like, for me, moving out and being able to do this, and if I wanted to play games for 5 days in a row, I would play games for 5 days in a row. That basically, that turned me from hating my dad into who cares.
Das Motiv heiligt die Mittel.
My dad died 10 years ago. I'm glad I didn't encounter these problems anymore. That sounds kind of like crazy. Like, I mean, I hope you're still sad that your dad died. Like, that sounds like a positive thing for you. I don't know. Like, yeah, these types of problems can happen. Maybe they don't happen. But I think everyone at some point is like, hey, I wanna live my own life. I wanna live the life that I think is the correct one.
I get more joy of making games than playing them. Cakez.
Actually, really, I get both. I think I'm like 50-50. I like playing games and I also like making games. I've turned into a game maker too. But I also still like playing games. Especially like good ones, difficult games. I really like difficult games. My dad is, wait. I do bug bounty for a living and my mom always tell me why don't you get a real job? I fucking hate it. If I had enough money, I will move out. I see. How did you get into bug bounty things? Like, why don't you pick like a website where you earn more money? Or have you tried that? About fist fighting one of my bros and dad fighting. I never had one of these, to be honest. I always had dreams about others being angry at me. That was, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm self-taught. I don't have a CS degree. I wish I could get a stable 9-to-5 dev job. I'm self-taught, who live in North Africa, where CS degrees matter. Wait, we talked about that the last time. I see. And you're trying to make right. You're trying to get a job. After making games, I enjoy much more playing some games, and I actually can see how much work is behind the game. You think it's easy peasy to make. Yeah, we did. Yeah, same. Oh, Poppy the doggo, my man. And you even do the emotes on YouTube. Holy shit, long time no see. I hope you're doing good. Hope you're all right. And Merry Christmas. Yeah, Poppy, Pogo. My man, Pogu. Is it Pogu or Pogo? Always forget that. Like, always mix these up. Pogu, okay. My man, welcome. Oof, hi dude. PDF Bros, I think you have a great portfolio. I think you get a couple of jobs on your domain as a programmer, artist, sound design, whatever you're focusing on. I think so, not sure. Wolf, how's the game dev going? Going okay. I have a small rework ahead of me, but otherwise I'm currently reworking my game with a new UI system. And in new UI look, I started using a color palette and I started upgrading to different looking buttons like this, and then a pressed version of all of these buttons too. And the result is astonishingly beautiful. It is very beautiful, looks very good. Yeah, I'm very happy about the decision to change to a color palette. Yeah. And so currently I'm just working on that. I'm working on the UI. And I'm working on tutorial mode. Could show you. I'm working on a tutorial mode so people understand better what the game wants you to do. If it loads. I like this iteration of UI. For example, like telling you how to drag and drop heroes. Like, you know, but this is only the first time you ever drag and drop a hero. And I worked a little bit on making glowing happen in my game. Stuff like this. That took a while to get going, and my GetSub helped me with this. He's like the math genius behind the shader code, and I just copied the shader code and added that to my engine. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm slowly getting a I'm slowly having a cleaner look on my UI. My UI is starting to be clean. I'm cleaning up the UI. Let's say that. I've also added this stuff right here. Looks like shit though. Wait, it's not using VSync, so I have to fix that. Tutorial is important, dude. For the new players like my owners. Oh yeah. I've literally seen a YouTube video of someone failing to understand how to place a hero like 3 times. And then after like the 4th time, he literally quit the game. So he managed to play the game for 6 minutes and then quit. He got frustrated. So yeah. I'm working on that part right now. And once that is in place and a bit better, I will write on his YouTube video that I updated the game, and if he wants, he can try it out again. Okay, I'm only gonna write someone when I have literally updated it. And I hope to do it this year still. I hope that I'll be able to finish the tutorial this year. So I can write him this year before New Year's. Okay, let's see here. Man. Guys, my throat hurts. I think I've been speaking too loudly and too much today. Make some tea. Do I need a collision point? Or can I supply 0? If push out. Throat hurts, you naughty. Yeah, drink some herbal tea. To be honest, I don't think it's about tea. I think it's just still a little bit of aftermath from Corona. But it's fine. It will be enough for another hour at least. Because I would really want to fix this magma puddle thing. That's triggering me. Let's see what it does. It still grows. Oh, because I'm not supplying... yeah. Wait. I'm not supplying the add damaging area. Yeah, but I hope to be able to be... I hope to finish my game the next year or the year after that. I will only finish my game, or I will only release my game when I think it's good. I will not do any early access stuff. I will literally only release it when I think it's good. And I can see myself in the future working off stream to add in some additional levels that you guys don't know about. So you're not being spoiled out of the entire game and you already know all the bosses and levels just by watching my stream. I want you to figure out and learn the bosses yourself. You might see me drawing some bosses, so you might see me implementing some boss skills, but you won't be able to tell where these bosses appear. I will make these... I will literally design the levels off stream. I will mod your game with cheat engine. Hello, had to run some errands. My man, Techbox North, welcome, bro. So good. Don't worry about it. What have you in plan to add to your TD? Items and resources. And then crafting is going to be the next big thing that I want to add. I already have item IDs, but they don't do anything yet. Items that fit in slots, and then crafting and kind of upgrading your heroes through town. And then resources to upgrade the town's building, and then restructuring the town. So the work that I'll put in next is about that. Which will take me a couple of months, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so now it's gonna tell me that damaging area does not take 5 arguments. And over here we have the weapon whip. And over here we have weapon magma ring. Okay, and now guys, I need to go to the bathroom, but it should work. Let's get to level 1. Disappears into a wormhole, leaving Shadow. Amen. Thank you for joining once again. Was nice seeing you, Poppy. Okay, I think. Yeah, I can reload the game. That's what I want. Okay, be right back real quick. They don't disappear though. Yeah. They don't disappear. Okay. I got an assertion. Max elements I cannot add in. Into which array? Pickups? Too many pickups? It's fine. We can load the game. Okay, so they stay. Which is not what I want. This is so cool. They literally do... Holy shit, they take so much damage in these. How are they not dying? Wait. Inflict damage doesn't kill them. Bruh. Wait a minute. Well, you're invincible now. Wall of balls. Crafting system resources, I think will take you maybe 4 to 8 weeks. 4 weeks to 16 weeks, but it depends on the amount of things you want to add. I don't know. I have never done any of this. Maybe. I'm gonna start with simple recipes, and I'm gonna start with items first, and then I'm gonna start with resources. And I need to find a smart way to gather these resources. And I'm thinking along the lines of how Darkest Dungeon awards you items on completing missions. I'm thinking along the lines of that. And so, since Darkest Dungeon is all about fighting enemies and then getting loot after fighting them, and then opening loot boxes. Loot boxes like chests. I'm thinking about, okay, so enemies could have a chance to drop items. Special enemies or higher difficult, more difficult enemies will have a higher chance to drop items. And then these items can be used to upgrade the town. But I don't want players to farm the low levels to farm the items. So I need to have some sort of level range in which you can run a certain level, and then after that you're no longer allowed to run the level. But it can't be too high, it also can't be too low. Design an enemy. This ball of rolled up walls to block damage. The simplest recipe system, just use different color and shape gems. No, I would use something like wood, iron, and something like that. I think I would use something like this. Wood, stone, yeah, something like that. I would use medieval stuff. Not really, and then maybe some sort of gems too. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. They die now. Let's look at magma ring. Time passed. Right. Weapon garlic. Magma ring. Okay. Get Sprite magma puddle. Ah, there we go. That's the issue. I'm not supposed to get the magma puddle, but the magma ball. There we go. Okay. For me, it's always astonishing how fast this builds. I'm used to build times where it's 3 seconds, but this builds like instantly. And so I'm waiting, and I'm like looking at chat because I know I have like 2 seconds. Maybe there's a new message, but it's literally instant. Oh, wait, but why is it not... Eh? It's supposed to... Add damaging area. Get sprite S. Oh, wait. Magma... It's drawing... Magma... ball. And then get sprite magma puddle. That's what I want. I want these small balls to appear and put a splat on the ground. That's what I wanted the last time. Very nice. And obviously the duration is a little bit too short. I also implemented crafting, was a ton of work. I also just implemented crafting. How did you start, Schumann? Shigiman. Shigiman. You know, you remind me of Shigiman. Coffee Lava. Schumann reminds me of Shigiman. Sigma Arrive. Creates a magma puddle. Increases AoE by 30%. Does that work here? I'm doing it like this, huh? Level greater than. Get weapon takes a weapon ID. Does it return a pointer? Yeah. What do you mean, how did I start? Well, a crafting system needs materials. So what did you implement first? Like materials? Did you implement a recipe? Like where did you start? What was the first thing that you wrote or created in order to make a crafting system? Or do you have something else where you can just upgrade your weapons? Like how, like, yeah, you need to have like individual components, I suppose. Oh god, my voice. I think this is supposed to be 3. Then I think I want to do 30 damage, otherwise 20. Wait, if that... Wait, no. If it's less than 3, that means 2 and above. If this is less than 2, I want to do 1.0. Otherwise, I want to do 1.5. And over here, I want to do 20. Otherwise, I want to do 30. Links allowed on YouTube? Can't. And the plans of making 3D game, I think the most popular way to work, which does take some extra time, is to work from the gameplay loop prototype. Start with killing an enemy, make something for him to drop, and so on. Yeah, you're right, Mio. I think you are. That's how I started too. I think it's intuitive. You showed it on, you linked it on Twitch. No? This is how my crafting system looked or looks like. Eh? What? I don't understand at all. Eh? Like, wait. Like... Wait. Like you have 3... Yeah. You make an efficient program to match the pattern above. Program? Oh, wait. I thought these were resources. You're clicking buttons. So you're clicking 5, 5, 5, and then you're clicking 3. And then you're clicking F2. And then you're clicking 3 again. Nope, there are instructions. Now I'm completely lost. Like what? Sorry, but I don't understand anything. Huh? You asked the crafting. I need I need 5 leaves, then a red gem, and 2 blue gems and a green gem. How am I creating these gems? You move the purple arrow. Purple arrow? Purple arrow? Hä? Sorry, but I literally understand nothing. I don't understand anything. Did you click this button right here? And it's doing this on its own? It's hard to explain here, but the glyphs on the right tell the furnace what to do. Okay, I mean, weird. Okay. I don't understand how Where's the resources? Which resource do you put in? And where's the resources that you use? It says stash over here. But there is no stash. It's just, and why are these labeled? Do you have to press these buttons yourself? You said no. It's pressing the buttons for you. So left keypad is input. Kinda like. But what decides how many blue arrows you have? Like, do you... Huh? So you click these buttons yourself, or you press 5. You press 3 to complete the recipe. Or is it doing it? It shifts the stash to the direction? No, you program it? Bruh, I'm sorry, but I literally don't understand. I think maybe I'm starting to understand. It looks like... It's all moving to the right. So moving to the right gives you red. So this, what does 3 mean? Use again. When I saw the system, my first thought was to make it more complex. Green arrows move the purple pointer. Ah, I see. And red probably enters. And blue arrows move the pointer in here, the stash pointer. Schumann, why are you flexing, my bro? But what do you mean you can make it more efficient? You literally have a recipe up here in the top. More efficient programs make it better. Like, what does that mean? Bro, why not use an engine? Because it's boring. Okay. You make efficient programs and get higher quality items. Efficient programs in what sense? Less instructions? Less instructions? Less squares used? Yep, interesting. Oh, then it's cool. Like, it took me like literally 10 minutes to understand how this works, but wow. There's a cost on the left. Cost 51. And if the cost is higher, it's... If the program is more efficient, the cost is higher? Or is it less? Do you get a better item and it costs less? Or does it cost more and you get a better item? Like, is there a trade-off? Ah. That's huge. Lowers should be better. And fuel type affects the two. Cakes is Andy. What? I'm going to learn Unreal Engine and Blender to make games. Yeah, do that, bro. You can start now. This is looking good so far. And then we also need to... I think we need to finish this. Fires 2 orbs. Fires 3 orbs. Try that for now. But there should be more... Stealth game with no killing. Unity is C++. Maybe like put some diarrhea power in security drinks. Fires 3 orbs, fires 2 orbs. Okay, I think we have a decent amount of different things. I want to have texts on the right. Skill cooldown. I think we need to continue both here. Because this is a different time past this minimum. We need to put this while loop in here. We can no longer break, but we need to do a while and for loop. Suppose this is only an if though, not a while. So you want to learn some fluid effects. I started learning Unreal a couple of days ago. What did you do, Techboxnov, in order to learn Unreal? W time passed. Okay, so first of all, we need to get a weapon. So then we have an int spawn count, which is W level less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 5, then we want to have 1. Otherwise, we need to check if W level less than 6. We want to have 2. Otherwise, we have 3 that we spawn. So, and then 4 int spawn index 0. Spawn index is less than spawn count spawn edx plus plus. We wanna generate a random x and y. We wanna set the target position, and we wanna add an active attack. Only if the time passed.
Interesting fact. A shark will only attack you if you're wet.
And over here we continue. Okay. We always continue, so we can extract this out of the case block. Because that is happening always. W hides previous declaration, so that would be the ring, I suppose. If the ring, let's call it magma ring. Wait, do we have the weapon in here already? If we do, then... Oh! I don't need to get the weapon. I already have it. And it's probably W dot level, right? No? Cool. Unreal Engine is fun. Unreal can build AAA games solo in Unreal. Dude, I think you're underestimating the fact that you have to generate a shit ton of art. Unless you outsource that. And that is gonna cost you a lot of money. I don't think you will be able to generate all of the art of a AAA game. Well, I guess it depends on the type of art of a AAA game, but I think you're severely underestimating what type of work goes into a AAA game, even if it's Unreal or not. Anyone remember Theme Park on Amiga? That people before, right? They might throw up afterwards. Others may throw up at the side of it and spread around the park, face vomiting. No, I don't. Such entrepreneurs, lol. Not really. Wait, you mean it's not true? Real super cool? You mean your AAA title can be done? By one person? Let's see how far we got. I don't think we can load the level. I think I have to start it again. Let's see what happens. Creates a mama puddle, I see. Increases AoE by 30%. Oh, look, it works. They still don't disappear. Deals more damage. Holy shit. They all die before they touch these. I need to draw their colliders. Because that's a problem. Let me close this. Okay, wait. First of all, the mama puddle.
That's a problem.
No, I was referring to the time spent on stuff. No matter how much you know, most of your time is spent on the things you don't know. I don't think so either, Mio. Like, I see. Because I spent most of my time the day before yesterday and yesterday just doing UI, bro. You know, I was doing UI. And I already knew that. YouTube chat is so lawfully bad. It errors out for me. Errored out for me. Couldn't even post a message anymore. Last time I used that. It's terrible, man. It's terrible. I don't know what these guys are talking about. When I see these YouTube videos now, right? Like you go on YouTube and you click on any of these YouTube's dead or Twitch is dead. YouTube's gonna take over memes. I'm like, bruh, you have no idea. Have you ever streamed on YouTube? That's literally not the case. There was still only one day though. Time is a mystery until you look at real stats. Yeah, but I spent like 4 to 5 months literally adding content and enemies and pixel art to the game, like daily, last year. I literally added new hero types, new enemy types, new maps, and along the way, I literally kept repeating the same stuff. But yeah, I mean, if you are coding and you're trying to improve your code, I can always improve my code. YouTube is harsh, is trash compared to Twitch as live streaming platform. I don't think it's trash. I think the chat should... Either there should be a more obvious solution for the chat, or they should change the chat so it is better by default and you don't have to use any hacks or extensions to make the chat better. But I think the problem is the underlying system of YouTube chat, the underlying technology, not the way it looks. Because you would be pissed either way if you can't post links or it errors out. Whether you could, even if you could see emotes properly or had your subscriber badges from Twitch and stuff. You would still be pissed if, like, you can't even post links. Right? YouTube chat errors out hard on my mobile on live streams. LOL's no problem on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I never had problems either, but I'm also not a very active chatter, so I guess it depends. It's up to you, bro, whether you want people to post links or not. Dude, I literally couldn't find the setting. In my opinion, it should be on by default. You know. But I can't find it. Maybe this, but this is for comments. This is for comments, bro. Has nothing to do with... Yeah, I've seen that. Tell me, like... Who can send messages? Like, tell me, where is the option? There is no options. See, block links is off. It's literally off, bro. Anyways, who cares? It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna continue. Again, like, I have made my experiences. I'm making my experiences with YouTube by trying to stream for an entire month. Just all white names. Aware. Yeah, aware. True. I'm making the experiences now. And I can tell that YouTube is far, far away from competing with Twitch. Especially the chat. Stream is okay. It's annoying to set up the stream. Having to, you know, get chat support in OBS is also annoying. But yeah, the biggest problem is the chat. And I'm pretty sure that the bigger problem on top of that even is the discoverability and searchability on YouTube, which is like, even they add on top of that as well, like anyone trying to... But the good thing is, after you have done your stream, YouTube pushes your video and YouTube pushes your stream actively. So that is the #1 thing. It pushes your content, which Twitch does not do. Twitch doesn't give a shit. Like, you are far down in the trenches of Twitch on the 0 to 1 viewer counts. You dead, son. You're over. YouTube does push your content, and it pushes your content more if people like it. Okay. So that's one good thing. Very good thing. Yeah, for some reason, chat feels so disconnected from the video feed. Yeah, that too. And the chat is horrible. Creating a bot for, like, AppDev tried to create a bot for YouTube. And you literally have to ask YouTube for new messages in the chat. Then YouTube replies you with a JSON where you can pass the new messages. And this asking YouTube for new messages is a request. And you can only do so many requests for free. And so if you do too many requests for chat messages, you have to pay money. You can't just connect to YouTube chat and then it gives you the messages like in Twitch. It's an entire API. Great system. Yeah, very great system. Works very well. Makes it easier to create bots for this type of stuff. Google does everything like that. Yeah, that does that, but it doesn't mean that it's correct. That's a good thing to do. YouTube gives 70% of profit from ads to creators and 30% to themselves. I would be fine. I don't know. I've not hit that yet. I've not hit the monetization thing, but I'm close to it. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little slow today. Whip. We don't care about the whip, we care about the ring. And we want to do time passed plus equals, and if time passed We want to remove it. You need more views? You can get monetized lol. You already reached 1K? Yeah, half the subscribers. What you need on YouTube is watch time. It's time. It's the time. How long people have watched your videos over the past year. And so if someone watches 20 minutes of a video of mine, this 20 minutes is being added to that amount. And you need 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. And I currently have 3,000, almost 3,600. Which means that I can get that very soon, but I'm still not there yet. I think I need a couple more weeks to reach that, which is fine. It's okay. Like, I will reach that at some point on YouTube to get into their partner program. It feels like something that you can actively work towards, while on Twitch, yes, you can do that too, but it's more up to some stats that are difficult to achieve, which is concurrent viewers. And that is difficult to achieve depending on the category that you stream in. For example, today was the first time where I ended the stream having 80 viewers on my stream. And you need 75 concurrent viewers on average to get Twitch partner, which is a ginormous task if you stream in a category where there's not many viewers to be had, or if you are just at the very far down at the bottom and you don't really have this like some sort of jump push from someone. Like I'm one that is climbing slowly, step by step. But it's okay. But on YouTube, it feels more like you can actively work towards that. Like this stream right now counts towards the 4,000 hours, and that's great. It feels like something that you can farm. You can go out and, you know, farm a bunch of hours. You know, just like you go out in an MMO and you farm a bunch of materials. I count as 5 since I'm a 5-head. Yeah, you are a 2-header, because everyone says that. What does Twitch partnership add? I think the only thing it adds is ad deals. So I think that's the only thing. But maybe something else. I think the only thing I get is, oh, if you play this amount of ads every hour, you get this amount of money. Maybe that. Another 2 here, 2 header. Dog leave. Okay, let's see. And I don't know if I would take an ad deal or not, to be honest, guys. I don't know if I would. Like, imagine it would save my income. Or it would save my... Yeah, it would save my income for the next months. Good. Okay, now I need to work on actually fixing the stupid size of these. Holy shit, this gun. This one deals more damage. Holy shit.
2 failed massages, so I am chatting here.
Yeah, I think the area of effect of these guys is... Oh, wait, I know the problem. I know the problem. The puddle collider is size.x divided by 2. Because size on x is the entire diameter, but we need the radius, which is half of it. Okay, very nice. I didn't need to restart my program, by the way. Hot code reloading. Okay, I'm gonna get to a point where the magma puddle is strong enough, or I get to fire 2 or 3 magma puddles. Oh god. I need to kite them into these And actually, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Deals more damage. Now I can actually kite them into these. And I can hide behind my magma puddles. Oh shit. Oh no. That's too many. Okay, good. Good. Increase duration. Now they are longer. I want them to fire too. I want two to fly at me. Please. I want to have two, please. Fires two orbs. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at this, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, they're being drawn. No, they're being drawn on top of them. Okay, fires 3 orbs. No! What happened to the Sprite Atlas? What is this? Ah, wait. I accidentally had the layer still visible. Okay. Okay, he is the magma guy that... Yeah. You think this weapon is good? Oh god. Okay, nice. Now I get... Oh, nice. Okay, very nice. Increase AoE. Okay, more AoE. Oh my god, is that difficult? Like, if you can survive the first round... Okay, good. Kill them! Come on! Yes! Deals more damage. Increase duration. Oh my god, please kill them already. Holy shit, is that difficult. Oh my god, please! I need to move where the AoEs are. Fires 2 orbs. Please! Please! Holy shit! No, I will die! Please! Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, thank god. Fires 3 orbs. Okay, I win. At this point, I win. There's no way. I'm just gonna stand here and they will all die before they reach me. Oh, that is cool. Oh no, please! Please don't kill me! Oh, shit. Feeling a bit naked now. Pepe love. Maybe I need to make the fires 2 orbs earlier. I lose too much life in the beginning. Too difficult. And the fast enemies spawn too... yeah, these enemies spawn too fast. Oh, okay, so that's much better. Wow, they kill me. They still kill me. Okay. Because of no garlic? Yeah. Yeah. The garlic is strong. Dude, I literally can't move. If I move, they kill me. But hey, cool. I have 3 different... Oh wow, it's literally on top of me. Yeah, the damaging areas should probably be spawning behind. Or I need to introduce... I think we introduce layering tomorrow. We need layering. At least for some parts. Right now it's just draw order. Whenever I draw things, but I think we're starting. Yeah, we need layering. Bro. Oh god. Oh no! Please stop! Oh, please no! Okay, I win. Oh god, garlic won. Holy shit! Okay, they can't kill me, these fast bees. Okay, thank God. Do you draw in batches or everything one by one? It's literally one draw call as far as I remember. Oh yeah, let's get all of these pickups. Creates 2 slashes. Literally creates 3, that's a lie. Okay. Does it feel like a Vampire Survivors game almost? We need pickups and we need roadblocks, right? That's what we need. And then, of course, after that, more enemies. And then after that, we need to work on actually moving the level and not our dude. Right? Currently, we move our dude along the screen, but actually the level should be moved, not our dude. Okay, so what did I just say? What do we need to work on next? What is the next thing we need to work on? I forgot. Oh yeah, the drawing order, layering, yeah. The next thing is layering. Or maybe I can make it so that these damaging areas are always behind my dude. Why not? Microtransactions. Also, I think in texts, I want to change the fires to orbs after the increased AoE. Because that's literally a game breaker. That's changing, game changing. AoE scale is level 1. 30%? Wait, what are we talking about? Magma ring. AoE 30% increased. Wait, 30%, 1.3, not 1.5. And then more damage is not 3 anymore, but 4. Damage to orbs, duration, yeah. But then this doesn't work anymore, wait. So at level 2, I have 30% more AoE. At level 3, I fire 2 skills. At level 4, I deal more damage. So this damage thing should be less than level 5. No, less than level 4. And then the duration thing should be less than level 5. Yeah. Pickups, obstacles, layering. Layering would be the one, yeah. I would start with layering. But let's see. Damaging. No, wait. We still need to search for Magma Ring. Because this gives me the count. before. Yeah, the count. This is not 5. This is 3. And then 6 fires 3 orbs. Very quick progress making this game nice. Yeah, the cool thing about this is, first of all, I have experience now with making a game in C++. And second of all, it's not Vulkan. And adding some... adding rendering things is not as difficult anymore as it is in Vulkan. It was still annoying to set up OpenGL. But yeah, I have never checked, by the way. Did anyone of you do? Did anyone do any? Orc 1. Did anyone do any push requests? Issues? See, make build automate. Yeah. I asked him what would that accomplish. If someone wanted to add CMake, and I'm like, what would that accomplish? Yeah, so nothing. Imagine how fast with limbs. It wouldn't be faster with lips, bro, because I would have to learn the lips. This is the count. Oh yeah, layering. I hate this so much. Keeps moving this shit to the right. When it's done, you could put it on Steam as a free game and use it to promote it, Cakez. I can't put it on Steam for free, bro. It costs $100. $100. And dollars are currently more worth than euros are, as far as I know. Right? Yeah. Almost the exact same thing. I mean, sell it for free? Sure, sell it for free, but I would have to... We'll do it like this. If people want to have it on Steam at some point, I will make a donation goal for that. And if people want it enough, it will finish. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. I literally can't afford an investment like that at the moment. You know. Every time you complete a map on VS Clone, get an advert, now play Cakez. Yeah. Okay, let's see how that looks. Should be behind. Yeah, so these are behind now. And enemies are walking over them. Okay. Fires 2 orbs. There we go. Boom. Boom. Makes the skill much better. Fires 2 orbs should have been earlier. That makes the skill much more powerful. Still makes this hard difficult because there's so many moving. They have so much HP. But I can make it so they deal more damage and now they one-shot everything. I think these guys have 30 life. I don't know. Bam! Right in the middle of those. Bro, very nice. Look at this, they're being killed. I need to stay here so it's more likely that the enemies are being killed. Because there's more enemies on this side. I will die. I will die. Because I'm being squashed by the enemies. In a second. Yeah, they will squash me. Oh no. Oh no. I like this animation. Yeah, me too. It's cool. It's cool. Very cool. Okay, so we made some progress. We fixed the magma orb. Tomorrow we will... I don't know if I will do layering yet, to be honest. Maybe we'll extend that for later. I think we will add in pickups. And for that, we need... In order to do pickups, we need destructible objects. Yeah, we're gonna get... Either we get destructible objects or a pickup is being dropped by an enemy. I think I'd rather have destructible objects or collisions. Like, one of the two we'll do tomorrow. Git add. Git commit. SM. Added levels to the magma orb. And fixed it. And fixed it. Works properly now. Very nice. So it has been updated 4 days ago. Now it's updated now. So guys, if anyone wants to try this game out, you can find it here.
Cakez, I figured since you have a lot of time today, maybe it's time to do a 24-hour stream.
See, this guy has been offline or quiet the entire stream, right? This motherfucker has been offline and quiet the entire stream. And now...
Back in 2nd grade, there was
he wants me to do a 24-hour stream on the day where I finally have some time for myself.
He put his fingers in his forehead and screamed brain blast. Then tried to force something out his brain.
Ready to make a playable demo soon?
Himself.
You mean of the Vampire Survivors
so
game?
Hard, the sub-teacher jumped out her chair, and then it smelled
I think so.
bad he had to be sent home.
Time to dine, rest well.
I had to do family.
Thanks, Cakez.
I missed Cake stream. Big Sag.
I had to do family shit. It's all recorded, bro. It's all recorded. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how the YouTube stream is going, huh? Wanna take a geezer with me? You guys know how the YouTube stream is going, but I don't. Okay, guys. 14 people watching me. Hello, guys. Hi. Let's do it here.
It's not the same if it's not live.
Boom. That's true. It's not the same if it's not live. True.
Square, square, square,
Wow.
square,
Wow.
square.
This is so bad.
22% of goal. Support on Ko-fi.
This is so bad.
https://ko-fi.com/Cakez77.
This is so bad. Ashton, my man, thank you very much. Let me do the TTS real quick.
Poggers.
Ashen, my man, thank you for $30. Take this so you can PC.
Plus, plus. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. It's so bad. This stupid Ko-fi stream bot is so bad. It literally posted the message in here, right? And it posted the message in here. But it did not post this message into Twitch chat. Maybe I need to disconnect the Ko-fi stream bot from YouTube. Because it might be posting both to Twitch and to YouTube. And then it thinks, oh, maybe I already posted to Twitch. Already posted to YouTube. Let me not post to Twitch. Or like something else fails. It's so stupid. It's so bad. Anyways, guys, let me check that out later. Right now, I just want to take a break and relax. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you enjoyed the progress. Thank you all for watching and yeah, being here, supporting me by watching, right? It does directly support me.
Anyways, Sag.
I'll be online tomorrow, same time, same place. Collector of stuff. And then we continue. Guys, hope you have a good rest of the day and see you tomorrow. Peace.